Hi, my name is Edward. Today I am going to introduce you the Castaly CNC 83DU 3 Spindles Machine Center. This machine is designed for high-speed slot milling on both straight and curved wood. Here's a breakdown of the key points. Multi-spindle design. Advanced CNC controller. High-speed slot milling. Suitability for straight and curved wood. Individual spindle control. In summary, the CNC 83DU Multi-Spindles Machine Center is designed to provide efficient and precise slot milling operations on wood. Its multi-spindle setup, advanced CNC controller, high-speed capabilities, and optional quick-change spindle contribute to increased productivity and improved machining efficiency. The machine's suitability for both straight and curved wood further adds to its versatility. Thank you. Please keep watching. If you like my video, please give me a like and subscribe our channel.